It's your boy, DIY Dave! Ow! Coming to you live from the Dave Cave. Before we get started on our DIY craft for today, I have exclusive DIY Dave merch, and we'll have them up within the hour. Mom! Put logos on the hoodies!
What? You have enough merchandise, David.
Anyways, so today we got light switches that won't work. What do? I'll figure it out for you. Now, with your left hand, take out your multi-tool because these are the best things ever. They have like 18 tools in one. It looks really dangerous actually. So with your right hand, take out your phone and call Mr. Electric. They'll get it done right with top quality workmanship and upfront pricing.
Davey, did you get the light fixed in the kitchen yet?
I'm working on it, Mom!
Yeah. I'll believe it when I see it.
Hit subscribe. Like.
David, honey, no one cares. Get down here.